Welcome to Isabel Segunda on Vieques Island. Today we're on Calle Regimiento de 65th Infanteria, known for a lot of the historical homes on the island. That green house is the Puig house. This is the one that has the pink house in town. Everybody seems to know that name. This is Casa Bill, which we recently sold. It's actually been painted within the last month or so. This is street. Every town in Puerto Rico has a street named after the 65th Infantry. They're famous infantry that fought during the Korean War, known as the Borinqueneers. We're about 2 blocks down to the water, about a block over to Calle Muñoz Marin, which has a lot of art galleries, grocery stores, kind of the main strip here in Isabel Segunda. Isabel Segunda, this is the the more business district, I'd say, of Vieques. Esperanza is more the tourist center. And this is our property, 154 Calle Regimiento de 65th Infanteria. And right off the bat, you see we've got a garage here. You've got the Rejas, pull in right off the street. You've got the tile floor. You've got the Reja gate. So you can pull right in here and have the not have to worry about on-street parking. Although that's not really an issue in Isabel Segunda. There seems to be plenty of parking. So if you have more than one car, you'll be fine there. There's a gate coming in here which opens you up into the garage. You can see out to the street there. This garage actually has a good amount of space. It actually has even a little area for a workshop. You can see the workshop there. You can park your car and still have plenty of room to do some other hobbies here. So as we come into the garage area, that's kind of the main entrance into the building. And then from here, there's a door that goes straight into the kitchen. And you can see this has a lot of the modern amenities that folks are used to in the States. You've got the wooden cabinetry, plenty of cabinets up top, down below. You've got the AC unit there, mini split. You've got a dishwasher, double sinks there. You can see all the wood cabinets. You've got a gas stove with an oven and a refrigerator. All the cabinetry kind of designed to go around it. So very modern amenities here. I would imagine you might be able to put a little bistro table in here if you wanted. I think over here behind the door there. Or you could do another pantry or some sort of a sitting table. You're actually not far to the dining room. Right through this nice arch, gorgeous arch. It goes right into the dining room. You can see the ceiling fans. Those stairs go upstairs. We'll go up there in a second. But there's the ceiling fans, decorative ceiling fans. You see the glass windows. This house was all built at once. There's really no add-ons to the house. So you're going to notice that all the finishes are pretty much the same throughout. All the same tiling on the floor. Right here off the dining room, we've got a half bath. This also connects through to the garage. You'll see the other side there. This actually also acts as the laundry. So you've got room to put in a washing machine. You've got the electronics or the electrical work there to deal with some heavy duty machinery. And out here on the garage area, you've got room for a dryer. You can see the dryer vent down below. And that's where we are. We're back in the garage. So there's a door that comes back here with the half bath off the garage, which is nice to have if you're working in the garden or working in the garage. Coming back into the dining room, actually fit a good sized dining table there. Probably at least fit 8 to 10 people. And as we head towards the back of the house, this room back here, the proper living room is upstairs. This area back here, if you're a professional lawyer, doctor, something like that, this could become an office. It could be a den. Could be a secondary living room, could perhaps be a media room. As you can see, we're right off the living room, or off the dining room there. A couple of windows back here, lets in a little light. The AC unit there, the mini split. Almost every single room, if I remember correctly, has AC in the house. This door back here to the left, this actually leads back out to the garage. And there's a full bath right here. You can see the tile work with the shower, floor to ceiling. See the windows. The glass windows are nice because it lets in light, and if they're closed, you can turn on the AC and still get some natural light coming in. See the toilet and the sink there. So you come back into this multi-use area, and this is technically the back door to the house. Goes back to a little back porch, as well as the garden in the backyard. So if you are a gardener, there is plenty of space here for you to do some gardening. If you're not so inclined to be a gardener, there's just enough there that you won't feel like you're overwhelmed. Remember that we are technically in town, so you're not going to have tons of space for gardening, but this is a nice place. You can probably put a fountain back there. Nice area to sit and relax, read, grow some of your favorite flowers, herbs. Perhaps you can put a little vegetable garden back there. So we've now seen the whole first floor. Again, we're back to the dining room. There's the kitchen. And these stairs, these are proper concrete stairs, and there's concrete stairs that go to the roof as well. Everything about this house was done well when it was done. It's all concrete, all designed, all built at once. You'll notice the tile on the floor runs throughout the house. As we come up here on the second floor, we come right into the large living room. Gets lots of light, has the glass block windows there. Those two glass block windows, those face towards the water, which think of how these streets in Isabel are oriented. That would be to the west. And that window right there in front of us goes to the south. So this is probably about 30 by 15, a huge living room, plenty of room for furniture, bookshelves, TVs. And as we head off, so at the top of the stairs here, if you go right, this takes us into technically, I guess, what is the primary bedroom, because it does have an ensuite bath. So you've got a window facing east. You've got sliding glass doors there, which go out to a balcony. There's a mini split for the room. And as you can see here, there's your bathroom straight back, and behind the door is actually a little walk-in closet. Not a huge walk-in, not huge, but enough to walk into. It's a full bath. You've got the toilet, sink, and you've got the shower with the frosted glass sliding doors. There's a little ceiling fan in here as well. Every room has ceiling fans as well. When you open up these windows in this house, between the first, second floor and the third, you really do get cross ventilation. You get some convection current going, you get cross ventilation going, and despite the fact we're in the Caribbean and the tropics, you don't always need air conditioning. You can get a nice breeze flowing through the house. Again, these are the sliding glass doors that go out to a balcony. You can see right now they're just covered up by storm windows. We're in October of 2024. So we've got, technically we're still in hurricane season. People will put their storm windows up sometimes, just leave them up. And that's the case right here. As we head towards the back of the second floor, this is a shared bath. So this would be for guests that are in the living room. It is full. You've got the shower, you've got the sink, you've got the toilet. You also have room there where that broom is. I imagine you could put a shelving there or perhaps a linen closet. And further down the hall here, we've got the two more bedrooms off the back. We'll hit the one on the right first. This is the smaller of the two back here. You see the windows on two sides of the wall, or two sides of the room there. You've got the AC mini split and the ceiling fan. Again, you've got the Ray House on the windows. You've got the glass that folds out, kind of Miami style. Both these bedrooms have closets. This closet here, as you can see, there's kind of some built-in shelving there, so you've got place to hang stuff, place to insert folded items as well. Got the nice wood doors on them. You can see the tile goes all the way through to the closets as well. It's always fun seeing some of the little features. It's a little flavor of the folks that are selling the property, little knickknacks, family mementos. This is the other bedroom back here. This one's actually L-shaped. You see the mini split and the fan, windows on two sides. You see the closet in the back there. It's L-shaped, so you've got some options on where you can place your bed and desk and dressers and stuff like that. I like the fact that the closet has a light in it. So many times these closets can get a little dark, trying to figure out when you pick clothing out what's black, what's navy blue, etc. Certainly helps with your choices there, getting things organized. Again, it's L-shaped. Wow, look at those bananas, banana leaves in the wind are just blowing in the wind. Again, that just reinforces my point that if, open up all these windows in this house, and you're going to have a good breeze. It'll be nice and cool. It's shady. The whole house is concrete, so it's going to stay cool, which is nice. Again, we're back in the living room. You can see the glass block window there. Plenty of room for bookshelves. The mini split AC. It's a good size one to fill up that whole room. And what's nice here, we kind of hinted at it when we saw the primary bedroom, is there's a second floor balcony here. You can see the nice architectural features of the arches, the concrete balustrades, all very popular Spanish style here on Vieques. So there's the storm doors, that metal. That's just put up temporarily during hurricane season, or it doesn't have to be up all the time. You can put it up actually if a storm's coming, a hurricane's coming. They just happen to have them up now. Again, peeking out the front of the house, you can see all the neighbors' houses, local Viequenses, very typical structures found in Isabel Segunda and about 2 blocks down to the water. Again, back inside, you can see the I imagine this is a nice space to sit and have coffee in the morning, sit and read a book, hang a hammock, nice little quiet space. And with those hurricanes windows off, I imagine it's lets in some great light into that primary bedroom, and very easy to just step out in the morning or in the evening to have some moments of solitude there. From here, there's the concrete steps that go up to the roof deck, so you can see all properly done. I imagine if you're trying to buy this house with an FHA loan, I don't, as of right now, I don't know of any red flags on this property. This might very well qualify for an FHA loan. It's done very well. Everything seems to be in shape. I'd be curious to see what mortgage companies and appraisers say about that. And here we are on the roof deck. This is huge. You're basically taking the whole square footage downstairs and just one big open space up here on the roof. Room for the air conditioning condensers up here. Also room for you to create some entertaining space, quiet contemplation space, whatever you want. For those that know the island, that's looking out towards the hills of Martineau. That right there on the left is Tamarindo Hill. So it gives you a sense of what direction we're facing there. If we head more to the west, then there you go. There's the water. There's your Caribbean Sea about 2 blocks away. Glass beaches down there. Other side of the water is going to be mainland Puerto Rico, El Yunque. There's the space. Big, wide open, ready for you to do as you please. This big yellow building is actually the old Hotel Carmen, just to get acquainted here. That's over on Calle Munoz Marin, kind of the main strip that runs through the middle of town. Looking down, there's your garden space down below. And so this is right there, that's the back of Buen Provecho, if you're familiar with that restaurant in Isabel Segunda, Hotel Carmen. And this right here is look at that palm. It's called a Christmas palm. It gets its name because of all those little red dots. Kind of looks like, those are all the seeds, palm seeds. Kind of reminds you of Christmas lights on a Christmas tree. That little church you can see over there, right in the middle, that's the old Episcopal church right in town. Gives you a sense of the views from this roof deck. Little trivia, the Hotel Carmen there, if you know Hunter S. Thompson, the writer, Rum Diary, the movie, the book, he supposedly wrote most of that while sitting on the balconies of that hotel. So thanks for joining us on another property tour. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this with someone if you think they might enjoy it. I'm Bob, and if you want to take a personal tour of this property, feel free to reach us through our website, www.paraisorealtypr.com. We'll see you on the next tour.